I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got.
Alright, this video is going to be about unboxing and putting together my ergonomic chair. I sold my gaming chair because it was just super uncomfortable and I decided to, upgrade. So this chair cost about $250 on Amazon. Took like 2-3 weeks to come over here, but we have finally got it. It's not available with Amazon Prime, so that's the reason it took so long. But let's get into it and let's start putting it together. Storage on this. Okay, let's get to unboxing this thing. This thing's pretty heavy. My other chair that I first had was definitely not this heavy. I did read Amazon reviews, of course, and the majority of people like this. I'll put the link in the description. And basically, I had good reviews, so I bought it, and it looks cool. Maybe some gloves. This is the headrest. You just go ahead and put it in. It's couldn't be any simpler. And it's adjustable. Next box. The arms, okay. Rather easy. Easy. This is the mechanism that allows you to go up and down, so pretty sure you just place it there. That'll make the most sense. Yeah, just put it in that hole. I feel like building the base is the first step of all this. Simply goes in this socket here. You slide it in. Old man. My back hurts. I feel like an old man. My back hurts. I feel like an old man. My back hurts. I feel like an old man. Put this in here. Grab the chair. This chair seems super low. This is really heavy too. Not that heavy, but has some weight to it. Oopsie, that's not supposed to happen. I know I can do. This is what I can do. Definitely more comfortable. Basically, let me give you the walk around. Basically, there's molds. There's 3 different levers on this chair. You have this one, which allows you to lock the lean back position, how much you want to lock it, if you want to keep it free. If you want to keep it free flowing, if you want, to be able to lean all the way back, at whatever time, then you click this lever. You pull it. But if you don't, it locks it. You just see. I like it. It's cool, and it leans back pretty decently. That's a decent amount. You also have 2 levers here. This one right here controls height. And the last lever is right here. You might not be able to see it too well, but it's right here. And it controls the how much you can slide your chair back and forth. See? Back, forward. Alright, you can also adjust your arm length, and you can turn these. So, shares quite the feat. I like it. Also, 2 more things. You can adjust the headrest. It's adjustable. You just have to pull it up. And you can see there's kind of like a camo type of design on it. It looks really nice. Alright, let me give you the perks of this chair compared to the V-Test chair. Let me show you. You have a better overall design. Well, that depends on the person. These armrests feel better. They're adjustable. You can bring them up and down. The chairs also, the seat's actually adjustable. The back, you can lean all the way back as well. It's adjustable. The height's adjustable. There's just more adjustability here, and it's an overall more comfortable chair. It doesn't feel like your balls are sweaty on the damn chair. It's airy. I like that. That is the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I will put everything in the link below, and I can't even see my face with this thing tracking my eyes. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. This chair is pretty, it's a banger, so if you want to cop it, I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.